Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Google is providing the free 5-day AI agent tutorial 2026. So this is the 5 days course and build AI agent with the vibe coding. This is a Kaggle plus Google tutorial. So there is a 5 days classes, hands-on project, certificates and badges, exciting prices, learn from the Google expert. So starting from the June 15 to 19 2026. This is a 100% free. You have to go through the step-by-step process for that. Here, Google and Kaggle have launched the free 5-day AI agent intensive vibe coding course that is June 15 to June 19, 2026. If you want to learn how to build intelligent AI agent using the natural language, API, memory, tools, and production grade workflows, this event is one of the best opportunities available. In this video, we cover everything you need to know about the course, including the course overview and schedule, day by day syllabus, vibe coding concept, AI agent tool, and interoperability, long-term memory and context management, agent security and evolution, production grade AI development, hands-on capstone project, Kaggle certificates, badges and prizes, eligibility, prerequisites, and certification process. Course topic is that in day 1, introduction to AI agent and vibe coding, agent tool, API and intro probability, agent skill, memory and long context, security testing and agent evolution, production deployment, observability and scalable AI system. So recommended skills should be there is a Python programming, basic AI and machine learning concept, Google AI Studio familiarity, interest in AI agent, LLMS and automation. So capstone benefit is there, Kaggle profile badges, completion certificate, opportunity to win Kaggle swag and recognition, build a portfolio ready AI agent project. And this is the official link. We'll go through this link. When we will open this link, this is the page. Here we can see 5-day AI agent intensive vibe coding course with the Google. Here you can see this is the kaggle.com and the host by Google. An overview is this one. Last November we launched the 5-day this is and this is from June 15 to 19 2026. You can go. So text learn and what a 5-day AI agent intensive vibe coding course. So you can go with the details. This 5-day online course developed by Google researcher engineers and dives deeper into the building powerful AI agent from the foundational concept to production ready system. So other details I will be there. How does the internship work? So everyday participant will receive the following information: daily assignment, Discord discussion, daily live stream and AMIs and capstone project. So what bring covered? So day 1 introduction to the agent and vibe coding. In day 2 agent tool and interoperability, and day 3 agent skills. Day 4 vibe coding agent security and evolution. In day 5 spec driven production grade development of the edge of vibe coding. So what's new? Vibe coding workflows, updated content and new speaker from Vibe to live. So FAQs are there. There is a prerequisites. So recommended skill and knowledge, Python programming. There are basic AI concept, Google AI Studio. So I had links are also given. So what is the time commitment for the program? Assignments should take roughly 1 to 2 hour per day to complete, and daily live stream will range to 45 to 60 minutes. So this is the time you have to provide, and this is the very important if you are interested to build a AI agent and intensive vibe coding course with Google. So all the details are there. So step by step we have completed all the things, and here so there is a other details you can find there. Okay. So in this video, we have learned Google free 5-day AI agent course And disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright infringement intended. For copyright consent, you can send me mail on this email address. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video, and go through the questions. Drop them into the comment box. If you have any question, and like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.